Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to show you all of the stickers that I have ready for April's new release. Let's get started. The first sticker I'm going to show you is the freebie that is going to go out with all sticker orders in April. And this is from the To Be Read collection. This is printed on premier white matte paper, and you've got 5 deco stickers, 2 icons, a script, dots and swatches. Gosh, my brain forgot there for a sec. And this goes with all orders. The first collection is the April Blooms collection. So this year I wanted to do similar blooms but in different color combinations every month, kind of similar to the way that I did birth flowers last year. This year I kind of just want to experiment with color and roses and combinations. So for April Blooms, I have a really nice yellow and purple and pink with a little tiny bit of blue. And these collections come as either a set of 4 or you can purchase them a la carte, and they are printed on clear matte or premium white matte paper. So this is the deco sheet, the dots and swatches, the circles, and my favorite, the ink splatters. So these collections, if you're not familiar with them, they are created so that they can match your journal spreads, and you don't have to worry about finding deco to match all of these. So that is the April Blooms. The next collection is the Time to Travel sticker collection, and I've been wanting to do a travel collection for quite some time, and now I just felt like it's that time because I haven't actually traveled or gone anywhere since October, and I will be traveling in May, so it just felt like a good time to finally do a travel collection. So this here has some few travel doodles like passports, some pictures, a postcard, I say funny and cute little airplane, a camera, some more pictures, and then I love the suitcase that's covered in stickers, and then you've got your airline ticket, which for anyone who does junk journaling, you love being able to have an actual paper ticket. So this collection can come as a clear matte collection or premier matte. Then you have the dots and swatches to match. I really love the color scheme of this collection. Then the matching circles, and then again, my favorite, the ink splatters. I love being able to experiment with the different types of ink and being able to make them splatter together. Now, I've had somebody ask me this before to basically line up or let you know what ink I used. And one, I'm really bad at writing them down, but two, because of how I digitize them and then printer settings, even if I gave you all of the inks that I used, they're not going to match exactly perfectly due to the digitization and the printing settings. So I don't want to necessarily give you the inks that I used because I don't want you to be disappointed with the fact that they may not match. So that is the Time to Travel sticker set. The next collection is the All My Plants collection, and I wanted to do a shelf or wall of shelves of plants, and I am not at all green thumbed or green fingered. And this for me is like the ideal if I ever were to have plants. I don't know what it is. I can't keep plants alive. So this for me is more of, if for anybody who is plant inclined, this is for you. I love the different shelves here and then the different colors I use. So that's the deco sheet. Then you have the matching dots and swatches. I really like how the green turned out in that one. And then the circles. And then lastly, the ink splatters. Again, I really love how the different ink colors combine. When I do these ink swatches, I try not to get the inks to mix too much. A little bit of mixing is okay, but I still want to make sure that you can see the different colors of each ink. So that is the All My Plants collection. And last but not least, the To Be Read collection. So this one I wanted to draw basically what everybody's to be read piles looks like. It's, maybe a nice shelf for our plants, or we have our to be read piled on top of a book that we are currently reading, but I wanted something that was fun and whimsical. And I also love the colors of these, the brown and the blue and the purple. I thought they just went really, really well. So that is the deco sheet, the dots and swatches, the circles, and last but not least, the ink splatters. It's a really nice neutral cool type of collection. Again, all of my collections are available as a set of 4, or you can purchase these a la carte, and they can be purchased on premium white matte or clear matte sticker paper. So I'm just going to lay all of these collections out, and I can't believe that it is already April, that I'm already doing the April collection. Time has gone by, well, I say February, March have gone by really quickly, and then now we're in April. So let me move my fake plant here. So there's all of the collections. Which one is your favorite? What do you normally go for? Let me know down in the comments below. For me, I love the ink splatters. Those are probably my favorite because it makes it look like you've done an ink splatter in your journal without creating the mess of actually playing with your ink. All right, so this collection will be coming out this Friday. What is this Friday? Friday the 11th. Gosh, now I have to check my calendar here just to make sure. And this is so bad because normally I know what the day of the week it is. April 11th, Friday, April 11th. My goodness, my brain. And that is coming out at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And then you can use the code April Blooms for 15% off from Friday, April 11th until Monday, April 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.